This 2025 Keystone Cougar 360 MBI is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, LP detector, DVD player, skylight, microwave, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, stovetop burner, external shower, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Cougar 360 MBI is 12,385 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.